In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your headlight mounting grommet, which is basically this piece that has the screw going through it for your headlight assembly on this Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Now underneath these corner screws that go on the top of the fender here is said grommet that we are replacing. It's just a piece of plastic that has a screw going through it. So first let's get a 10mm socket and remove said screw, unless yours is already broken and there is no screw. And now I'm not going to remove the headlight for this. I just want to pry this up, pop that clip out, and insert the new one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to pry up on that. Then I'm going to stick my trim tool underneath that clip and pry the clip up and out. Try to hold the headlight tab in the released position. Slide that out. Now take your new one, slide it down in here, and pop this all back together just like so. Make sure it's lined up and put the screw back in. Most likely, why you would have to replace this is if you replace your headlights or you have to remove this bolt for whatever reason and that grommet breaks. Well, you can't properly secure your headlight anymore, and that would be an issue with headlight alignment. So there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.